Let me show you how to wash your car like a professional. First things first, we have a product set up. We have our wash right here. We are using Coach Chemi Gentle Snow Foam. In there, I've got my pre-treat sitting here on the side, DIY Detail All-Purpose Cleaner, and then I got my protection sitting there, which is Bead Maker in a different bottle. Same thing, all-purpose cleaner sitting in this to clean my tires. And there's my tire cleaning bucket. Got a pressure washer set up. Let's get to it. First things first, we're gonna pre-treat these wheels. I like doing this, just breaks everything down, makes it a lot easier when you go in to actually scrub them. You can do this with just a spray bottle. I have my foamer set up just because I like how quick it is. You don't have to do it this way. Then we're just gonna rinse them off and go straight into scrubbing them. Hit it again with that cleaner. I'm only using 2 brushes. I got this little bristle tire brush. Detail Factory, I think is what it is. You can pick one up from Walmart. It's just a tire brush. You can use this on the wheels and also on the wheel wells. Then I have my soft bristle brush. I'm going to use this on the face of the wheel as well, and kind of on the edge where the paint is, because I don't have to really worry about it scratching because of how soft it is. You can also use this to kind of get into where the lug nuts are at and be able to clean that out. Rinse them out every single time, spray it all down, and repeat on the next one. Now that the wheels are done, we're just gonna go ahead and pre-treat everything, spraying the door jambs. This is just all-purpose cleaner diluted 15:1. Just spray all over on the inside where all the bugs are at and everything. And then of course, we're gonna head off to the rinse stage. You can see all the nastiness coming out of these windowsills right here. This is why it's important to just rinse as good as you possibly can. You don't even have to do this with the pressure washer. You could do this with a garden hose with the sprayer attachment on it. Now we move into the contact wash. Very simple, start from the bottom, work to the top. I like to do a panel or half a panel at a time, top down, flip it, top down, and then to rinse it, I only use 1 bucket. I just spray off my mitt before I dunk it back in. Works pretty well. Then moving on to the window, I have this cool little orange scrub pad, and it has a fabric on it that helps scrub away bugs. I use this on the front windshield and really any parts that come in contact with bugs, because summertime, Idaho, lots and lots of bugs. And I don't have to worry about it scratching the paint either, because it's very, very soft and gentle. All right, now that we rinsed it all off again, gonna go ahead and dry it. We're adding our protection of bead maker. You can use whatever you want, whatever you find on the shelf. Got my big old microfiber towel here, and we're just drying this sucker off. Trying to do it one-handed, and it's not working out great for me. Next up, we're gonna dress some tires. This is coverall. I really like this stuff. I like my tire shiny. I think it looks good. If you don't like it, you can still use this same stuff and just wipe it down afterwards. Gives it a little bit more of a matte look. But you can use whatever tire dressing you want. And you can see how well theirs turned out. And there she is. We're able to get it all done before it got really nice and sunny. And she looks nice and ready to go for the weekend. If you want to learn more about detailing or just have any questions in general or videos you want to see, be sure to comment down below. I'll try to make videos on those. Going forward, you can try to make more videos like this, just teaching you how to detail simple and not making it overcomplicated. Thanks for watching.